In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon account email address effortlessly. This process is straightforward and will ensure your account details are up to date, which can be crucial for receiving order confirmations and other important communications from Amazon. First, you need to log in to your Amazon account. Head over to the Amazon homepage and click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists menu near the top of the page. A drop-down will appear, and you should select Account from this list. This will take you to your account settings, which is the hub for managing all of your personal information on Amazon. From the Account Settings page, your next destination is the Login and Security section. Look for this option on the screen and click on it. This area houses your sensitive information, so you might be prompted to verify your identity again, typically through a password, re-entry, or another form of authentication. Once you are in the Login and Security settings, you will see various pieces of your account information. Look for the Email field, and next to it, there's an Edit button. Click on Edit to change your email address. Here, you are given the opportunity to input your new email address. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid missing any notifications and ensure smooth transitions with communication. After typing in your new email address, an important step follows: verification. Check your new email inbox, as Amazon will send a one-time password, OTP, to this address. This step confirms that you're indeed the owner of the email you're trying to switch to. Enter the OTP when prompted to verify your email address with Amazon. Following the email verification, click Continue. This progression will bring you to a screen displaying a confirmation that shows both your old and new email addresses. This serves as a final check for accuracy. From here, to fully save your work and apply the changes, simply look for the Save Changes button and click on it. It's important to note that after saving, Amazon might require you to log back in. Be prepared to enter your password once more if prompted. This is a security measure to keep your account protected. Finally, you should receive a notification on your screen confirming the update. This message is Amazon's final seal of approval, letting you know that your email address has been successfully changed. If everything checks out, you've updated your email address on Amazon. With these steps complete, your new email address will now be your main point of contact with Amazon. Remember to update any saved passwords or account verification details accordingly. That wraps up our guide, and I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.